2 a.m. Kaya medyo mahina ang boses ko. So, currently, I'm on a calorie deficit. Kanina pa ako paikot-ikot sa kama. Iniisip ko kung nagugutom ba ako or naboboard lang ako. And then, napagpasyahan ko. Nagugutom talaga ako. When you're on a calorie deficit, lalo na as you go deeper into caloric deficit, yes, you will have cravings. Yes, you will feel hungrier than the usual. And yes, maraming beses kang magugutom. So that is very normal. So ngayon, bibigyan ko kayo ng tip. Alas 2 na, nagbibigay pa ako ng tip. So out of all the temptation, may Nutella pa, mga walang yung batang to. Hybrid ko pa naman yan. Sobrang sweet tooth ko. So, hindi kayo nag-iisa. I'm trying to control my hunger pangs. Pwede ang mga ganyan. But of course, pag laging ganyan yung kinakain nyo, or pag meron kayong mga ganyan sa sistema nyo, you actually crave for more. If you have control, yes, you can have portion. Pwede ka kumain ng ganyan kung meron kang control. Pero kung wala ka, be mindful of your food selection. So ako, I've been doing this for ilang years na. So, kabisado ko na yung katawan ko. Alam ko na yung response sa katawan ko ng pagkain. For beginners, kung wala kang control, magtabi ka ng mga ganyan. May prutas, berries, strawberries, itlog na pula. Pwede nyong gamitin for emergency. They're very low in calories. And at the same time, of course, alam nyo naman, that's good for your health. What's working for me, since na-hit ko na yung calories ko, on track with my protein. Tadan! Rice cakes. One packet of this ay merong 2 laman. Ganyang kaliliit. Tapos sinasamahan ko yan ng malamig na Coke Zero. Yes, 0 calories ito. Pwede ito pag nagda-diet. So, having late night snacks, paglagpas sa calories is very normal. There's no such thing as perfect diet. Wala ring tao na hindi nakakaramdam ng cravings or yung mga nakikita nyo, perfect diet, perfect nutrition. There's no such thing. Everyone has cravings, everyone has cheat meals, everybody cheats with their diet. It's all about consistency. And when I say consistency, hindi yung consistently na day in, day out, sobrang linis ng kinakain mo. What I mean is, every time na madadapa ka, every time na lalagpas ka sa calories mo, every time na papapa-binge eat ka, you keep coming back to your protocols. Keep pushing sa ganyang mga gray area. Lahat ng tao, lahat ng pinakamagandang katawan na nakita yung fitness influencer, lahat ng mga coaches, that's the reason why they're successful. Ibang mga tao or kakilala nyo, nagiging successful sila sa kanilang fitness journey. It's because they keep pushing through that gray area. Huwag nyong minamadali yung mga fitness journey nyo. You have all your life to keep trying to eat healthy, keep showing up sa gym. Do not set any timeline. Timeline is what will make you fail sa iyong fitness journey. So whatever it takes, how long it takes, keep coming back and keep pushing through that gray area. Ganun yorn.